If you want to learn how to do Golang web dev, my name's Todd McLeod, and I was the first university professor in America to teach Go at the university level. I studied under Bill Kennedy and Caleb Doxey, and my Go courses have taught hundreds of thousands of students. I have a fantastic Golang web dev course, which is super thorough, super comprehensive. If you click the link here, you could go look at the course outline. The course outline is literally almost 100 pages. It covers everything you need to know about using Go to do back-end web development, RESTful APIs. It's a great course, and you could click the link to go take a look at it and learn about it. I don't know what else to say about it. I've had tons of fantastic reviews about the class, and if you live somewhere in the world where the price is a little bit too expensive for you, maybe $20 as a monthly wage where you live, just message me on Twitter and I will get you discounted or free access to the course, because I want everybody to be able to learn the Go programming language for web dev. It's the fastest growing, highest paying programming language in America. And I know that my course is the absolute best course in the entire world for learning Golang web dev. One last thing I want to show you, just to speak to my credentials, is if you take a look at my car license plate. All right, here we go. All right, there you go. So click that link and jump into the course, and I look forward to seeing you in there and helping you learn how to do web development and web programming with the Go programming language. See you in class. Bye.